Welcome to Investment IQ Insights, where we empower you to take control of your financial future. If you're looking to build wealth and make smart investments, you've come to the right place. Today we will be discussing 10 stocks Gemini AI predicts could make you rich in 10 years. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you're the first to know when we release a new video. Also remember that this video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Investing in the stock market involves risk, and you could lose money. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor or professional before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not indicative of future results. In this video, the Investment IQ Insights team asked Gemini AI, a cutting-edge AI platform designed for advanced market analysis, to predict 10 stocks that could make us rich over the next 10 years. Gemini AI leverages massive datasets, real-time financial metrics, and predictive algorithms to identify promising investment opportunities. After running the numbers, it delivered 10 intriguing stock ideas for us to explore. Now let's dive into the 10 stocks that Gemini AI predicts could make us rich in 10 years. Starting at number 10, we have Cloudflare. A company that's become synonymous with web performance and security, Cloudflare provides a content delivery network, internet security services, and distributed domain name server services. Its services protect websites from various forms of attacks, ensuring the websites remain secure and perform optimally. But why does Gemini AI foresee a bright future for Cloudflare? The answer lies in the increasing importance of web security and performance in our digital age. As businesses continue to migrate online, the demand for Cloudflare's services is set to skyrocket. Its innovative solutions, combined with a robust customer base that includes heavyweights like IBM and Zendesk, position it well for continued growth. Cloudflare's commitment to innovation, coupled with an unwavering focus on customer service, strengthens its competitive position. Add to this the company's strong financials and its potential becomes clear. So, if you're looking for a stock that's poised to perform well in the future, keep an eye on Cloudflare in the coming years. At number 9, we have Moderna. A household name in the biotech industry, Moderna has been making significant strides in the field of messenger RNA, mRNA, therapeutics. This revolutionary technology has the potential to treat a broad spectrum of diseases, including infectious diseases, immuno-oncology, rare genetic diseases, and cardiovascular diseases. Moderna's successful development and distribution of a COVID-19 vaccine using mRNA technology has cemented its place in the biotech industry. Its strong pipeline of clinical trials, including those for flu and Zika vaccines, indicates a bright future. Moreover, Moderna's financial performance is robust. In 2023, it reported a revenue growth of more than 300%, reflecting the high demand for its COVID-19 vaccine. Moderna's potential for growth is further underscored by Gemini AI's predictive analytics, which factors in the company's innovative technology, solid financials, and promising pipeline. All these elements make Moderna a compelling contender in the biotech space. Moderna is a stock to watch. Number 8 on our list is Teledoc. A pioneer in the telemedicine field, Teledoc is a company that's reshaping the healthcare landscape. By offering virtual consultations with healthcare professionals, Teledoc provides a convenient and efficient solution to meet the growing demand for remote medical care. In the midst of a global health crisis, Teledoc stood as a beacon, demonstrating the potential of telemedicine. The company saw a significant surge in its user base, and its revenues have followed a similar trajectory. Gemini AI predicts a bright future for Teledoc. The company's unique business model, combined with the increasing acceptance of telemedicine, positions it for sustainable growth. Additionally, Teledoc's recent acquisitions and strategic partnerships further solidify its standing in the healthcare sector. But what makes Teledoc an even more compelling investment is its strong balance sheet and its commitment to innovation. With these factors in play, Teledoc is poised to continue its upward trend. Teledoc is one to add to your portfolio. Coming in at number 7 is Fortinet. Now, let's delve into the world of cybersecurity. Fortinet, an industry leader, specializes in broad, integrated, and automated cybersecurity solutions. Its flagship enterprise firewall platform, FortiGate, offers a broad array of security and networking functions. Here's why Gemini AI finds it intriguing. In an era where digital threats are ever evolving and cybersecurity is paramount, Fortinet is strategically positioned. With a robust suite of products and services, it caters to a diverse range of sectors, from small businesses to large-scale enterprises and government entities. Moreover, Fortinet's continuous investments in R&D focus on innovation and expanding product portfolio position it well for future growth. The company's consistent financial performance, strong free cash flow, and a solid balance sheet further underscore its potential. In conclusion, as digital security continues to take center stage in our increasingly connected world, Fortinet holds a promising future. At number 6, we have Shopify. A standout in the e-commerce space, Shopify is a platform that empowers businesses to create their own online stores. It's a one-stop shop for businesses, providing everything from website builders to payment gateways. But what makes Shopify a great contender? Well, it's all about the growth. Shopify has been expanding rapidly in the last few years. It's not just about the number of stores on the platform, but also the volume of sales. This growth trajectory is expected to continue, with more and more businesses turning to online sales. Gemini AI predicts that Shopify's stock is set to rise. It's a company that's in the right place at the right time. With the shift to online shopping, the demand for Shopify's services is only going to increase. It's a stock with a lot of potential, and one that's worth keeping an eye on. Shopify is a stock you don't want to miss. Zoom Video comes in at number 5. As a major player in the tech industry, Zoom Video has quite literally transformed the way we connect. From business meetings to virtual classrooms, Zoom has made its mark with a platform that's both versatile and user-friendly. But beyond its current capabilities, Gemini AI sees tremendous growth potential. In a world where remote work and digital communication are quickly becoming the norm, Zoom Video is positioned to capitalize on this trend. The company has shown a knack for innovation and adaptability, which are key in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Plus, with expansion plans into new areas like virtual events and cloud-based phone systems, Zoom is demonstrating that it's not satisfied to rest on its laurels. The future looks bright for Zoom Video. With a solid foundation and an exciting vision for the future, it's a stock that Gemini AI believes has a lot of potential. Zoom Video is a stock with a promising future. Number 4 on our list is Roku. Roku, a name that's become synonymous with streaming devices, is a company that's revolutionized the way we consume media. But it's not just a hardware manufacturer. The beauty of Roku lies in its platform strategy. It's this strategy that has allowed Roku to build a robust advertising business, capitalizing on the shift from traditional TV to streaming. While the streaming market is competitive, Roku stands out with its agnostic approach. Whether you're a Netflix fan or a Hulu enthusiast, Roku has you covered. It's not tied to any specific content provider, which gives it a strong competitive edge. Gemini AI recognizes Roku's potential in this ever-growing industry. With the company's focus on international expansion and its growing advertising business, Roku is poised to capitalize on the streaming revolution. It's an exciting time for this company, and it's certainly one that investors should keep their eyes on. Roku is one to watch. Crowdstrike holds the 3rd spot. Now, let's talk about why this cybersecurity company is a gem. Crowdstrike is a leader in cloud-delivered endpoint and workload protection. Leveraging artificial intelligence, the Crowdstrike Falcon platform offers instant visibility and protection across the enterprise and prevents attacks on endpoints on or off the network. But why is Crowdstrike a strong investment? The answer lies in the ever-growing demand for cybersecurity. As businesses continue to digitize, the need for robust, effective cybersecurity solutions has never been more critical. Crowdstrike's innovative technology and AI-driven solutions put it at the forefront of this burgeoning industry. Moreover, Crowdstrike's impressive financial performance, with consistent revenue growth and expanding margins, underscores its potential. This consistent growth, combined with a solid market position and a vast addressable market, makes Crowdstrike a compelling investment opportunity. So, if you're looking to add a cybersecurity stock to your portfolio that has strong growth potential and is well-positioned to benefit from increasing cybersecurity needs, Crowdstrike is a stock to consider. Coming in at number 2 is Datadog. Now, what makes Datadog a standout? Well, it's all about the data. Datadog is a monitoring and analytics platform that helps companies improve observability across their systems, applications, and services. In simpler terms, they provide a 360-degree view of an organization's technology stack to help them optimize performance, troubleshoot issues, and streamline operations. Why is this a big deal? Today's digital age is data-driven. Businesses need tools like Datadog to navigate this complex landscape and remain competitive. And Datadog's numbers speak for themselves. With a consistently expanding customer base and a revenue growth that's been nothing short of impressive, it's clear that demand for their services is strong. Gemini AI predicts a bright future for Datadog given its unique business model, its crucial role in today's technology landscape, and its strong financial performance. Datadog is a stock with a promising future. And finally, at number 1, we have Duolingo. Duolingo, the popular language learning platform, has taken the world by storm with its innovative approach to education. This tech company has turned the conventional language learning process on its head, offering an engaging, gamified experience that keeps users coming back for more. But what makes Duolingo a noteworthy investment? The answer lies in its unique business model. Duolingo operates on a freemium model, offering its basic service for free, while charging for premium features. This approach has allowed it to amass a massive user base, which continues to grow each day. Gemini AI sees potential in Duolingo's ability to scale and its innovative use of technology to disrupt traditional education. With a strong foothold in the market and a business model that's both profitable and sustainable, Duolingo is poised for success in the long term. So there you have it. Duolingo is the stock to watch. There you have it, the top 10 stocks to watch according to Gemini AI. This insightful journey has taken us from Cloudflare to Duolingo, highlighting the potential each of these stocks holds for the future. Moderna, Teledoc, Fortinet, Shopify, Zoom Video, Roku, Crowdstrike, and Datadog all present unique opportunities for growth and wealth creation. Gemini AI's robust analytics and predictive capabilities make it an invaluable tool in navigating the stock market. It deciphers the vast sea of data, identifying trends and pinpointing opportunities that could propel your financial future forward. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, the stocks mentioned in this video are based on Gemini AI's predictions and are for informational purposes only. This is not financial advice, and investing always comes with risks. Be sure to do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any decisions. If you found this interesting, check out the videos on screen for more insights to boost your investing knowledge.